How to do percentage calculations in the calculator. How much is 10% of 200? Type 10 times 200 and hit the percentage button. The result is 20. How much is 200 plus 10%? Type 200 plus 10 and hit the percentage button. The result is 220. How much is 200 minus 10%? Type 200 minus 10 and hit the percentage button. The result is 180. If I take 450 coins from a box with 1,000 coins, what percent of coins do I take? Type 450 divided by 1,000 and press the percentage button. The result is 45%. If you liked this simple calculator, the download link is in the description. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel.